All right, hey, we're on site for another day of milling. We're in Minneapolis at an awesome wood lot here, and we got 3 black walnut logs to do. One's pretty big, the other 2 are good medium size. A little bit of curvature. We got barbed wire sticking out of one, so that'll be fun. We're gonna just, wreck a blade and go through it, but it's gonna be great wood. It's super healthy. Let's take a look here. We got our mill all set up. The truck standing by, ready to get full of sawdust. There's the old man. So nice barbed wire sticking out. There's the logs. This one here, about 18 inches. About 31, 32 wide there. And then over 2 feet there. But as you can see, it's really, really healthy, solid black walnut. So we got the mill set up. We're gonna have the pressure washer out. So we're up in the game from the bucket or from the hose. I'm just saying to my friends out there, you gotta check us out. Worthy of a like and subscribe. All right, here we go. Stay tuned. Yeah. Haven't hit it yet, but we're about to. It's right in there. All right, so we got the log all milled up, good to go. Now let's throw some water on there and see what we got. So what's the line? You know the line. Matt's got his bucket, John's got his hose, but we got our pressure washer. All right, so let's take a look at what we got here. So black walnut again, We have 1, 2, 3, 4 slabs, 5 slabs plus an extra one here. So we got 3-inch slab on the top, then a 2.5, and then we have 3 at 2 1/4, and then 1 at 1 inch over here. Plus we got real nice cookies cut off the top, so 2 of those just bonus. Really kind of cool pieces here. But this is what she came out looking like. The color is just beautiful. So far so good. All right, so we're all done. Just want to have a huge thanks to Landscape Love and Hiawatha Supply for having us out to mill today. Great company. So if you're local in Minnesota, Minneapolis area, you should work with them for your lumber and supply needs. Thanks for your time today. Thanks for watching our video. We'll catch you later, Minnesota Milling.